Good evening everyone. In today's video I am going to model this 3D structure. It comprises of two shaft holes, a simple rib structure and a extrude to a certain height. Let's start by selecting the top plane in which we need to draw two circles. I am taking random dimensions for this tutorial. Okay, and then we need to connect it with the rib, which we can use a center point rectangle uh, like this. After that, I'm going to give dimensions to these circles. It is close to 40, and I can give a dimension to of 25. This one 20, and this one of 10. After that, it can be 65. It's awesome. And then we need to connect these two circles tangentially. Perfect. Now as we look in our design, we need to extrude it. First I will extrude it to a height of 15 centimeter. Go to sketches, highlight your sketch again, then extrude the smaller circle up to height of 10. Okay, 5. And after that we will create middle rib connecting both circles. Select the rib sketch, extrude it up to a height of 15. Edit, select this plane, edit it, join these 2 points. This will create a separate section which we can just select and cut it out. Okay, then remaining small extrude height, select this and this, extrude it up to a height of 5. Now you can see our part is ready. Hide your sketch, everything else. Our part is ready.